Enable touch mode. If you're working on a touch screen device, you can enable touch mode. Touch mode spaces the ribbon buttons a little farther apart on the screen, so they are easier to tap by finger. Click the drop-down arrow to the right of the Quick Access toolbar, then select Touch or Mouse Mode from the drop-down menu. The Touch or Mouse Mode command now appear on the Quick Access toolbar. Click the Touch or Mouse Mode command, then select Touch option from the drop-down menu. Now the ribbon will switch to touch mode, and create more open space, making commands easier to tap with your fingers. To make text and objects bigger, swipe from the right edge of the screen, tap Start, swipe up, tap All Apps, tap Control Panel, under Windows System, tap Appearance and Personalization, tap Display, tap Medium, 125% or size you want. If you want to turn off touch mode, again click the Touch or Mouse Mode command, then select Mouse option from the drop-down menu. Now the ribbon will again switch to mouse mode, and remove all open spaces. Must like and share, don't forget to subscribe.